Meaning of half, 1/4 and 3/4, Part 3. In this video, we will learn how to divide half into half, that is, quarter. Vandana and Ayushman are making some craft. Vandana is falling short of cardboard for her craft. She asks Ayushman a quarter of his cardboard. Let's see if Ayushman is able to give a quarter card to Vandana. Here you are, Vandana. I have cut the cardboard for you. Thank you, Ayushman. Oh, this is small. I will not be able to complete the craft with this. But it was you who said that you need a quarter of my cardboard. Yes, I want only a quarter of your cardboard. But it looks smaller than that. No, it is not small. It is 1/4. Quarter means half of half. Do you think that you have made half of half? Yes, Vandana. If you want, you can see it yourself. Oh, it's not a quarter. It is smaller than that. How did you divide this into quarter, Ayushman? Look, 1/4 means half of half. So I first measured this cardboard from all the sides. All the sides are 32 centimeters. Then I marked half on the top and right sides. That is 16 centimeters. After that, I marked half of the half, that is 8 centimeters. In this way, I came to know that both sides of the quarter of the cardboard would measure 8 centimeters. So I cut a piece of cardboard of 8 centimeters length and width and gave it to you. But it is wrong, Ayushman. It is half of half. Then how is it wrong? Look, when we divide a shape into 4 equal parts, one part is called the 1/4 of that object. Yes. So this means that if we keep the 4 quarters on top of the object, then the object should be completely covered. Yes. Now look, if we put 4 pieces equal to what you have made on this cardboard, then it will not be covered completely. Oh yes, it is not completely covered. This means that this part is not a quarter of this entire cardboard. You just paid attention to cutting the sides in half, while we have to cut the whole figure in half. This means that we must first divide this cardboard into half. For this, mark the half, top and bottom sides and draw a line by joining these marks. Now these two parts are half of this cardboard. Now we will divide one half of these in the same way. Well, now I understand where I have made a mistake. Now I will divide this half into half. For this, I will draw a line by making half on its right and left side. Thus, this part will also be divided into 2 halves. This means that all the sides of the quarter of this cardboard will be 16 centimeters. Whereas all the sides of the cardboard I had cut are 8 centimeters. Now, if we cover 4 parts equal to this part with sides 16 centimeters and cover this cardboard, then it will be completely covered. This means it is a quarter of this cardboard. Now I have understood properly. Today we have learned what is the correct way to divide a shape into 4 equal parts. And if a shape is completely covered using 4 equal pieces, then that part is 1/4 of that whole figure.